This is the edge of my double crochet rows. I don't start my double crochet row with a chain 2 or chain 3. So as you can see, there's no big gap here. Before I show you how to join the edge, I need to quickly show you how to make your edge like mine. So to make that special first double crochet, just turn your work. In the first stitch, work a single crochet. Then, in the left vertical loop, make another single crochet. And then you can just continue doing your normal double crochets. And if we do it like that, the last stitch looks like this. So make sure you get to that very last stitch. So usually we join the pieces side by side like this with the beginning chain at the bottom. Make a slip knot. I'm using a different color yarn so you can see it clearly. For every double crochet row, we're going to work 2 stitches on the edge. So the first one I'm going to insert here under both loops. And on the other side, in these 2 loops as well. Pull the yarn through. Chain 1. The second stitch, I'm going to go in this space between the 2 rows. On the other piece, it's somewhere here. And then make a slip stitch. The next double crochet row, 2 stitches again. The first one's under these 2 loops. We also have 2 loops here. Insert under them and slip stitch. The second stitch is in here between the rows. On the other piece is this space here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches for 2 double crochet rows. And then I'm just going to continue this here, here. Other panel, it'll be here and here. So this is the last row, last stitch. So 1 here, 1 here. I didn't fasten this off so it looks a bit weird, but you just go in that very corner space, slip stitch, chain 1 and cut this yarn. And this is what it looks like on the right side. If you use the same color yarn as your project, it won't be visible at all.